So we drove down here to surprise Brittany's mom by visiting for Mother's Day, and her daughter's in town right now, her oldest daughter. So we came out here. I'm walking the beach. They're hanging out with family. Just a quick little turnaround trip. And good times. I really do hope all of you guys are living your best life and are having a good time out there. I have no clue what kind of content we'll be able to bring, if any. What's wild about right here, little history, this used to be a parking lot, and the ocean ate it away. And that's when they started bringing in the rocks to try to keep the shoreline from eroding as fast. So periodically they bring in these rocks to help keep shoreline erosion down. But I mean, I'd love to do more for this channel. I just need funding to do it. My equipment's not great. You know, I'm not even a great person at editing, but if you want more, please support. Thank you.